approximate area of Alaska is 6.6 times 10 to the fifth power square miles. Using these measurements, which of the following is closest to the ratio of the area of Alaska to the area of Rhode Island?
So we're going from Alaska to Rhode Island. And Alaska is 6.6 times 10 to the power of 5. It's just a scientific notation. 1.5 times 10 to the power of 3. And all you have to do is literally type this in. And if you're not sure where to get to the scientific notation, I'll tell you. Type in 6.6. And then I'm going to point at the E value. Do you see that double E right up there? A double E? It's blue, right? So I need to activate my second, which is a blue button, and then the E. That's going to be a part of times 10 already. So the power of 5 divided by, and then we have 1.5. Again, the E is our scientific notation. Just like that, and it'll give you a clean number. So it's going to be 440. Now, let's kind of think about what's happening to the other number. What number is understood when you have a fraction on the bottom, if there's nothing? 440 to what? If I give you 3, that is equivalent to 3 over what? 1, so that's 440 to 1. And that's simple. It's like a freebie. It's freebie, but it could be hard because we're not exposed to the scientific notation pretty often. Y'all good? So though this one you cannot miss, right? Okay, the next one that we're going to go over is number 15. We talked about that degree mode thing, huh? Who knew? Okay, Denton, let's read number 15.
Josiah stands on level ground 15 feet from the base of the cliff. The angle of elevation from where Josiah is standing to the top of the cliff is 50 degrees, as shown below. Which of the following values is closest to the height in feet of the cliff?
Okay, so our cliff is right here, and that's our angle of elevation. And if you recall from Unit 6, angle of elevation always horizontal and diagonal. We never use the vertical line. Y'all kind of remember that? Okay? So from there, let's label what I know from sine, cosine, and tangent. From 50, we know this is my hypotenuse. When I jump, it's my opposite, and then we have our adjacent. And then let's write out SOHCAHTOA as a reminder. You'll use sine, cosine, and tangent, the SOHCAHTOA, at least once on the ACT. If you end up not using it, you've done something wrong at some point, okay? So we need O, and we need A. We're going to use tangent, right? So let's try tangent of 50 degrees is equal to my opposite over the adjacent 15. And then if I am taking x divided by 5, what's the opposite of dividing in algebra? Multiply. And then literally on your calc, on degree mode, let's type this in together. So we have 15 tangent of 50 should give us about 17.8, and the closest one is what value? 18, done? So hopefully you're having an aha moment, not, oh dang it, I might not get it next time. Okay, 20 is a really good one as well. I know we don't like imaginary, but we still need to go over them. Okay, Hannah, let's read number 20, please.
One of the following values for A makes the expression 2A plus 5 over A squared plus 1 undefined.
Okay, I want to focus on undefined first. When something is undefined, that means my denominator is what number, if you remember? Your denominator is undefined when you have 0. That is undefined. Write that out real quick. And if you even type in some number on the calculator over 0, it's going to be like, what are you talking about? That's also undefined, okay? So then, let's think about what is happening on the following. Which answer choice looks ugly right here? All of a sudden there's an I. So let's recall I from algebra. I is square root of negative 1. I squared is negative 1. I cubed is going to be negative I. And then I to the 4th is going to be 1. Okay, y'all know these kind of relate with each other, though? I to the power of 4 is 2 of these, right? What is negative 1 times negative 1? Positive 1. I to the power of 3 is 1 of the I and the squared. So I times negative 1 is negative I. It stems off of that. And then on this one, I have 2 of these. Square roots cancel out, so I have negative 1. Cool? Okay, so from there, let's see what I have. It says, I want the bottom to be undefined. So my goal is for a squared plus 1 to possibly equal to 0. And I want the a value to be something. So in this case, if I square a value and make all that into a negative 1, isn't that a 0 basically?
Yeah.
It's going to satisfy this guy over here. And I say that would be more of like a level 4 or 5 question, okay?